Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the favorite Chrome extension of 2024. Here are some of this year best extension for productivity, accessibility, and personalization by Jamie Anderson, merchandising manager of Chrome Web Store. So here you can see there are some extension like stay productive and focus. You can download the Momentum, Evernote Web Clipper, Bardin AI To-Do-Ways, and this is if you want to elevate your entertainment. You can use Volume Master and turn off lights. Find better deals here if you are used to shopping online. There are some better deals like coupon birds automatically find tasks and apply discount code for you, and so on. And this is the have some fun. While the Chrome Web Store has ton of themes to choose from, sometimes you want to add even more of your own personality to your browser. You can download Stylist. And talk about games. For all you gamers out there, you can download this Dodo. Is a fast-paced 3D platforming game that requires balance, speed, and finesse. So click this Dodo. This is free, downloaded and used by 600,000 users. So under categories just for fun, you can play 3D game easily by clicking the little icon at the top right corner of your browser. So just click at Chrome, add extension. So here, insane parkour game in outer space. This is the theme of this game, the Dodo. There are total 680 maps unlocked. So here, and this game is keep update. The last update is November 2024, making huge change to the code. Here only up to 55 megabyte. Dodo has been added to Chrome. Click this extension and click Dodo. Here we go. You can try to play it. Let's try to mute first. Tap to play. Now you can use let's restart. Use the arrow key in order to move these eyes. So I hope this Dodo can cure your boredom. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.